Ebusham for aha egana SMTVGH. Message like, comment, subscribing. Then no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you notify. Ebusham for MPP started unity and restructuring ahead of 2028 election. Now history actually say anytime MPP went into an election united, no, amu winning. Examples were Obebre 2000, J. Kufuor, party was united behind him, or winning at Amels. 2016, Nana Akufo-Addo, party united behind Nana Akufo-Addo, or winning. And looking at history, you know, very clear and obvious says a party not to be united behind Mahmoud Bawumia into 2020 over winning. Now after election, you know, now we were hearing a lot of stuff. Whether some people who are lying or not. At least Brian Champo ebe aligning here. Engineer Kwabena Champo eso aligning here. But I do chum. Eso aligning here. You for the yanti omukan. But something very, very nice SCA. Anything. Former chairman Paul Afoko Kojo visited Mahmoud Bawumia and declared his support to him, any allegiance, any loyalty. Paul Afoko. Now, many of the parties stalwart Ayɛka say, Paul Afoko pass or not to make Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia hodie a positive sign. A say, indeed, no MPP party now is serious about coming back into power 2028. Another person also who has gone to meet Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I have very, very significant, I have very positive sign for the MPP. Former Chief of Staff Kojo Mpianim. Yenem. Under Akufo-Addo. We all saw how Kojo Mpianim and some of those stalwart withdraw from Akufo-Addo abayeno. And he say enne MPP akọ opposition. Na it mean yankrofobi to say Kojo Mpianim no stepping forward. Say yes. MPP is our party. United together, we are going to win the 2028 election now. A very, very positive sign. And per some of the news available, an investigation available, no, apparently, I say there is some intervention from J. Kufuor. Because him say, Kojo Mpianim, Paul Afoko Muno. Among na ye J. Kufuor brand. Aha. It is a J. Kufuor brand no do na feel say ye sideline on more under Akufo-Addo government. But for them to come back, people are speculating say it means President Kufuor is also pulling some strings for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Saying na a party no go. This is how the party should go. Penny folk for more experience, coming on board, sharing their experience with the youth who have the strength, then they go around with the experience they have acquired from the penny folk. Then you get easy campaign and easy return to power. MPP, I like how things are going. Let's keep on track like that. The end will be beautiful.
So we're riding on the popularity of your candidates. Next a candidate no winning election. Ni a mouth positioner as a Wusuan Yansa. Your Excellency, there's trouble about the saying necessary Koko Ekuyafono and complaining. Obi betre I can say a MPP for the share and a warrior sir. But the reality of the matter is that Koko no yeta na yento. Sika wo kwa na sika ni wa ede.
Yeah, Captain Smart. Oh ja.
I ain't gonna grow.
Yeah, Captain Smart.
Your Excellency. Me say. As I say, you shouldn't be an strength. Yes. One way to be a Koko so. I'm a Koko akona nimbi and we in Kurase for. Me ke Kurase niya. Obi a watene Kurase. Aye Kurase adwuma. Koko ye nwia won kan.
Captain Smart.
Koko ye nwia won kan. Now watch this mafia. Wo hwe J. Kufuor time a. E be sin ne. A me nua panin. Eye Randy Abbey and the Koko board or Dano as chief executive now. Yen papa or say something or for UK High Commissioner or no yeah na Isaac Osei I don't know so be Cocoa Board penny besides Isaac Osei on an amseshi on an amseshi on an emu it's Isaac Osei be Cocoa Board penny or down no ye ko hin ye te answer Ghana boom ye do 1 million tons and I'm what okay Anna Mami find this kranye Anna Dr. Puni ebe ye Cocoa Board penny and I'm what that time Anna Dr. Puni time Anna Ghana Cocoa Board say or fertilizer free
The king of morning shows.
me what Opuni o Then to your friend Opuni.
John for and I'm
I didn't know to be share cocoa so.
John
Then see Opuni to be share cocoa so they say. Opuni of your crassy and Obu cough. Yea, ye try crassing the name curve. Momo can curve. He negotiated a curve. Yeah, you can't so Obu cough. Opuni Obu cough from a crassy. And then my many papa didn't throw ya from a crisis. Obey a medical doctor who said then.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
And the Food and Drugs Authority to Cocoa Board. Now at the time, Papa na know how your friend saying former Western Regional Minister, Honorable Osedu. Why said I'm one modern beer baby, sir? But now we have for the problem. They say cocoa no yentum.
Today, you don't hear it.
Say in the Fourth Republic, Befia, a baby and what to cocoa mu chain. Mahama buying Cecilia or
Smart. He is unique. He is the
But
best.
question they say,
Captain Smart.
then to the matter a Fiat go chop money from 300 to 500, 500, 700, 700, 900. But me di angwamu.
I don't take
Menin sa obia. I think that there's a problem somewhere. It's either someone is overwhelmed or
Captain Smart,
someone
king of morning.
If 3 years, who appear stadium, we don't need a was your penny Jimmy for us. Woman, so one was for best rest, I'll be one more bram, one cohene. I shan't regional minister, one cry branch, no order. Wo ba Bibi Akufo Addo this why you more bokra chela brate na mo support to Germany na Bibi Akufo Addo mo tamanya akufo yi so atwede
say na ye kura wo ko bi
ono
so ye le beba ya
past na obema wafu etoa osabi obema so waya se akwehye wanim se de ensu anya wo kwase ampanyi Jimmy for apia stadium me se wo be sredi wo do ma betoto ani ntini ni abede na wo be wuja wo mo be sre sa kopim so wo be wu wo sre for apia stadium ko shinie Pejuma ye, Pejuma fire patriotic defenders.
Number 1 yeni. Apia stadium. Wo mesi waka entokwa chene ye. Wo papa pani a wo nanwene. Eje na mo hwehwe fire Akufo Addo ho. Ene wan fa mamo. Mo kwasiafo bi sei papa we be hwe mo ma. Ete plus Bible si di waja no nani na kwan wale papa yi etifi agi na home. Wa fire so wa bedi fie nwotwe wokọ. O papa kwasi ampanya apia stadium ubusuani ben ene beye common assembly mindpo apia stadium ubusuani ben po ne beye assembly common assembly mindpo wabodam wate wanu nsuo se enwa wanu nsuo se 80 wanu nsuo se enwa yafo wanu nsuo se 80 wate jimifuo waye tutom amwakohina blantie mua wate bedwom anu oda amwako hene ablantie mua wati bedwoma no atese na no no oda waka bi kwasia panyini
Apia stadium be Apia stadium nyina MPP for
na ma ye
Apia stadium Apia stadium be Apia stadium
MPP for
onum kankan wo Apia stadium NDC for so kasagu wo mo so no mo pe baabi do mo afa wa hye na aka sa NDC wo mo to kankan aboa nche
aboa na be chewa we wate ensu enua na be fa wa Apia stadium kwasia panyini chimifo yeah first na ya taso amamo na MPP for nkasa this time there ya senya no sesekan ya senya no ankasa aboa wo waye tutotutom chimifo
ya ne mo be kon boot for boot ya ne mo be kon boot for boot mo ka sa first na ya MPP for ma ya ne aka ya no ntuma mo ba no ba kika kwasa afiwe mo ye nyina ye ma ye wo bia ho bi wo bia mo di si ye di betwa
chimifo mo chimi na party bi ti send this woni munyansa sade na adon ho kodjone a na waye bomb adan wo man na mo dia papa yi kona ho megye mu ma na nyi na ho me pasiafo wa chimifo assembly man bi pie mu fie assembly man Apia stadium brofo kula wonte kwasia mpanyini wo kwaye akufuado ne nkana man kula ho wonfa so sene wo di asresre ho hyehye ena de chiamato wo badin wo betu awiase nipa atitirifuo nyina badin enso wo ma no mo ho ano na wankasa mu kwasia mo bo adwene pa hene pa mo odi na nado ni wuo tantantan ni funu kwantimi amfa ama ni kromo amesie emmowa kwasia mpafo achimifo ya me ne betua moka